Hey guys, it's the month of March. Winter's finally almost over. It's feeling like spring, and somebody surprised us with something at Tractor Supply, and we're going to pick it up this morning. So let's go see what it is. The surprise was chickens! They're so cute. We got a bunch of them. They're so tiny. They're so cute.
Sponchito.
We're gonna go inside and set them up, and then we can take them and see what we got. We're in our basement now. This is where we're gonna set up our chicken coop. We've got, it's an old bunny enclosure that I had from having bunnies in the past. We've got all of our supplies here. We have our heat lamp. So this is just like I think it goes up to 200 watts, 250 watts. And it works really well. We had one last year for our chickens. And then we have our water, our little water thing for our baby chicks. I'm not flipping it over until we put it in, otherwise I'm gonna make a big mess. And then we have our feeder. We don't have the food right now, it's upstairs, we haven't grabbed it yet, but this will be filled with food by the time we leave them down here. And then we have our light bulbs that we will put inside of our lamp. And these are a 250 watt light bulb. These light bulbs are good because they keep the chickens warm. You have to make sure that they stay warm or else they will not survive. Normally, if they were with their mother, they would stay under her and be protected and keep warm like that, but where they're on their own and we're raising them, they have to have heat, otherwise they can die. But you have to make sure that they have a space where they can go, that they're not going to overheat, so they have to be able to go to a cooler side so that they can cool down, because if they overheat, they can pass away from that as well. We got, I think, 5 different types of chickens. We got Americanas, which are my favorite. I was very excited to get some this year because they are blue egg layers, and I cannot wait to get eggs from them. And then we've got some Black Jersey Giants. So I think we got 3 of those. We got 5 of the Americanas. We got 3 Blue Plymouth Rocks. We got 2 Rhode Island Reds, and then we got 2 Light Brahmas. The Light Brahmas are, they're straight runs. So a straight run is when you have either boy or girl chickens. So you can end up with either a rooster or a hen. We got 2 to try and test our chances, so maybe we would get a rooster. Because if we don't have a rooster yet, we have 5 hens currently that are egg laying at this moment. They're about a year old. We got them last spring. And all of our other chickens are pullets, so they're female. A pullet is a female chicken that will turn into an egg-laying hen. So we've got to put the bedding in. Make sure that they have a nice soft place to dig and play, because they love to dig around in the shavings. They love to do that. And you want to make sure that they have a nice cozy place to sleep, because they are babies after all. And you want to make sure that they have a good life, the chickens do. So we've got a nice little cozy home for them. You know, I think we need one more handful. Can you grab a handful of this and put it in? That would be really helpful. You grab a handful and put it, oh, you gotta really get in there. There you go. Yep.
A whole bunch.
Woo! Good job. Nice help. Now we're all set with that. Now we add.
Wait.
Can I hold the bravest one?
The bravest one? Maybe.
Yeah, the bravest
Okay, we've
one
gotta
of
put
the
this-
dark.
And
Straight at all.
we want to put the cage on to protect from getting burned. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm gonna test it. I'm not sure. Hopefully it works. I'll put this on this side. And we're gonna have to hang it somewhere. But for now. That's not working. I don't know what we're gonna do. Over here, okay? You got it? You wanna put it up there?
Yeah,
Okay. I should go up there.
over.
Maybe I should put the water up here?
Sure, why not?
No. That's better. That's a good idea. So these right here. This is the Rhode Island Red. Rhode Island Red, baby. Gonna go in. Oops, sorry. And then here's the other Rhode Island Red. And then we've got, I want to say these are the blue Plymouth Rocks. This is a blue Plymouth Rock. We got 3 of those. So 1, 2. Oh, she's still cute. And 3. They're so pretty. And then we've got the black Jersey Giants, I think. Maybe. These ones. Okay, we've got, I don't know which one's the Brahmas. I think maybe this is a Brahma, or no. This one I think is an Americana. I'm almost positive this is an Americana. And then an Americana. Americana. Oh, look at the little gray head. So cute. Okay, it's okay. And this one's an Americana as well, I believe. I could be wrong. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we had 3 black Jersey Giants. And okay. Oh, they're cold. You okay, Baba? I think this is the Brahma, and I think we have a boy here. I think that one's a boy. I'm not sure though. These are black Jersey Giants. Sorry, black Jersey Giants. And the final baby. Sorry.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video about our chickens, stay tuned so that you can see more as they grow. We will be posting new videos as they get bigger, and also when we build a new coop for them and a new run outside, because now that we have 20 chickens instead of 5, we need a much bigger space. So again, thank you and see you soon.
Do you like all of them?
I don't. Oh, it's a black Jersey Giant, not a blue Jersey Giant.
I love them.